All right, dear heads, I got a quickie for you. Let my stupidity help you out. Okay, so got my 1025R here. Now, if you have problems with your John Deere not starting up, battery appears dead, I left my lights on and let it set for a couple of days. Came out, wouldn't turn over, no crankage at all. And I'm like, okay. Found that my light switch was on. Not cool, but there you have it. So of course, first thing I did was try to jump it. No go. Tried to run a trickle charge on it. Left it on for a couple days. Didn't charge it. So I'm thinking, oh man, I'm gonna have to pay like $200 for a new battery at my local place. It's 160 plus tax. So did not want to do that. Prepared to go in and fix that. And then I'm like, I did another quick search on YouTube to see, you know, what could it be? Because I found that the lights were still coming on. So here we go. Turn it over. Nothing's happening. Okay, and I looked over and I saw that my light switch was on. But my front lights here were coming on. So that showed me the battery wasn't dead. It took me a couple days to even notice that. Okay, so on the videos I watched, there is one fix the guys got out. There's up underneath your tractor, you've got a little switch that's connected to your gear shift that will tell it that it's in neutral or not in neutral. And if that little clip comes out, it will not register as a neutral, will not start. It'll give you the exact same problem. So that could fix it as well. But before you do that, you know, I was looking up other YouTube self-help videos on this, and as I was looking up, I couldn't find, you know, what could be the problem of this, because it's got to be a good battery. So got a brainstorm, and I figured maybe a fuse. Okay, so I took off the panel, checked down in here. Got the panel off right now, but all you gotta do with the panel on, take this out. Panel comes off real easy. Okay. So you got your fuses in here. This little yellow guy here is your fuse you want to look for, okay? That's your ignition switch fuse. Bring that out. If you can't get it out with your fingers there, just use some needle nose pliers. Can't see it from here. Yeah, this little guy's broken. So, went and got a set of new fuses from Napa down the street, $5. And place that puppy in. All right. Then you just come up here. Now we're cooking with gas. So we got about 170 miles on this guy, and I'm like, you know, that can't be messing up that soon. But ended up being a fuse. So if you can't get life out of your 1025R, can't find a solution for it before taking it in and paying high dollars. It's going to cost, the closest place that I could, John Deere place is actually about 75 miles away. It's going to cost $100 one way, so $200 for them to come pick it up, go check it out, and so forth and so on. $160 plus tax on all that for a new battery, and it still would not work even with a new battery. So I would have spent like $600-700 on up to get nowhere, where a $5 fuse was the fix. So hope this helps you out, and be sure to like and follow. I need some more followers on here, so I appreciate you coming to the video and watching, and I let my stupidity help you save some money. Peace out.